Since launching Gbolt Systems last week, the number one question that I've received is, Alston, Gbolt Systems looks great, but how is it different than System? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 15 different ways that Gbolt Systems is different and why you should consider it for your internet marketing software. Hi, my name is Alston Gbolt with alstongbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so Gbolt Systems is a really new software that is going to do just about everything that you need to launch a successful internet marketing business. And a lot of people right now are using System.io because it's free. And again, a lot of my followers, a lot of the people in my community are asking, what are the major differences? And so what we're going to do today is I'm just going to walk you through some of the major differences. We're going to compare the free plan to what I'm offering at $67 per month after the 2-week free trial. And I'm going to let you make the decision. Now, again, System.io is a really good software, and if you have created funnels and if you've gone through the process of setting stuff up on System, then stay there. I am not going to try and talk you out of using the software. This is for only people that are considering leaving and they want to see what the difference is. So let's quickly take a look at the screen here. I'm going to compare the free plan. I'm going to give you an outline of what System is, and then we're going to walk through how Gbolt Systems is just a little bit different. All right, so you get 2,000 contacts, you get to send out unlimited emails, you get 3 sales funnels, you get 15 funnel steps total, 1 blog, unlimited blog posts, which is awesome, 1 course is included, unlimited students, 1 community, unlimited community members, unlimited file storage space, 1 automation rule, 1 workflow, 1 tag, 1 email campaign, 1 one-click upsell, 1 order bump. And again, I'm grabbing this right from their website. I'll put a link down the website so that you can see this for yourself. And then 1 coupon code. Now, what we're going to do is we're simply just going to compare this to what I'm offering at Gbolt Systems. All right, so now we're going to take a look at what we offer here at Gbolt Systems. I am in the back office of a temporary account so that you can see exactly what you're going to get your hands on if you decide to proceed with the 2-week free trial. Now, you can get started with a 2-week free trial by simply going to gboltsystems.com and then paying the one-time account setup fee. And then after that, you can test drive this on your own for 2 weeks. So the first thing that I want to highlight is the welcome course. Yes, there's a welcome mini course that walks you through each one of the things that you can have access to and you can change and use for your online business. As you can see, it says Gbolt Systems Welcome. That is the first thing you're going to see when you get up and running. The second thing that you'll see is the content and promotion toolkit. Within the content and promotion toolkit, you'll actually get access to done for you planners that will help streamline things. It'll help actually plan your blog content, plan your Pinterest, plan your social media content so that you can be more successful. There'll be a little bit more on social media in just a moment, but you are going to get access to all of these planners that are done for you. They're downloadable, they're editable, so that you can schedule and organize and plan your business a little bit more efficiently. Next, you're actually going to get access to the Affiliate Marketing Mastery Bundle. Included in this Affiliate Marketing Mastery Bundle is the 0 to 1K Affiliate Marketing Workbook. It's a step-by-step guide to help you get your first 1K with affiliate marketing. It's an actual workbook, it's not a course. Through that workbook and the associated, how to fill it out type of thing, you will have all the tools that you need to earn your first 1K with affiliate marketing. And then there's also a second workbook called the Commission Maximizer. That Commission Maximizer will actually show you how to scale your business to 5K using email marketing. But that's all included in Gbolt Systems, and you'll have instant access to that. If we take a look at the Digital Product Creation Essentials, that is a 10-day digital product workbook. So if you are interested in creating and selling your first digital product, I have a step-by-step guide, a workbook, in fact, that's going to help you do that. As you can see on the screen here, we lay everything out in 10 days so that you can actually create something that you can sell and potentially start making money. Oh, by the way, you can actually sell and create all of these things within the system. You don't have to daisy chain 2 or 3 different things together. All of it's available for you right here. Also, as a bonus that's not advertised, we have a done for you digital product. So I'm actually giving away your first digital products so that you could go sell on Etsy, on Redbubble, or you could create a sales funnel to actually help you sell that. In addition, I'm actually giving away done for you lead magnets. So you'll get access to new lead magnets every single month right in the system as long as you are a member. And again, we're going to talk about that in just a moment. The lead magnets are connected to sales funnels, which are already connected to autoresponder sequences. So really the only only thing that you'll have to do is you're going to have to go out and create content and get traffic, and you'll be able to use the training and the courses that are included to help you go out and get that traffic. So hopefully you're able to see that while System.io is a good place to start, it kind of leaves you out in the lurch or leaves you out in the cold once you get up and running. The whole purpose of Gbolt Systems is designed to help you get started with an online business and provide the support that you need to help you reach your personal and professional goals. Again, we also have, we talked about content promotion. We've got the idea generation and market insight. Within these workbooks and courses, there are 30 ways to promote digital products, 2,000 niche ideas, 100 lead magnet ideas, and 100 digital product ideas, all at your fingertips that you'll have instant access to when you sign up for the 2-week free trial. By the way, we have a 2-tiered affiliate program where you earn a 40% affiliate commission on anybody you bring in directly, and then you'll earn another 5% affiliate commission for anyone that one of your affiliates bring in. So you could earn up to 45% commission just by getting people to join this awesome platform. This awesome platform is probably one of the few places that I would recommend, obviously, because it has everything that you need to start a successful online business. It has the workbooks that you need, it has all of the marketing, it has all of the social media integration. You just really just need to go out and create content. So let's go ahead and talk about all the other things that are included and how this software is much different than anything else than you've ever seen. All right, so if we click on sites, remember System.io included one funnel on the free plan. If you got started with the 2-week free trial, you already would have access to at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 funnels that are already done for you. And I'm actually adding new funnels, probably 3 to 4 per week. And those funnels are attached to autoresponders, which are also attached to lead magnets, which are given to you. For example, there is a lead magnet for the wedding niche. There is a lead magnet already done for the personal finance niche. You just need to go out and create content, and a lot of the work on the back end is already done for you. If we take a look at the forms are already built out for you. You just need to go out and promote one of these niches. You can do multiple if you want, but I would focus on one to get started. If we take a look at the automation, as you can see, these are done for you autoresponder sequences. Now, these sequences were created with AI, so I'd recommend that you go through, you read them for yourself and make any necessary changes, but you can see these autoresponder sequences are done for you. You just need to go out and promote the product. Under marketing, this is where you'll be able to connect your social media accounts. You can connect TikTok, X or Twitter, LinkedIn, Google My Business. You don't have to do that. Instagram and even Facebook, all in one place. You can collect payments, so you can create, launch your own digital products. You can create unlimited memberships if you want. You can create unlimited digital products. You can have unlimited coupons. This software is really designed to help you get up and running and start seeing success. Now, at the $67 per month plan, we are limited to just under 15,000 emails. That's assuming that you send out one email every single day for a month and you have about 500 contacts. We will be adding more levels soon, but just know that is probably one limitation in which System.io has a better opportunity than Gbolt Systems. Also included in Gbolt Systems is a calendar, so you could replace Calendly. You could replace any forms that you're doing, any surveys that you are giving to your target audience. This is a one-stop shop. Another benefit of Gbolt Systems is that you can have all of your conversations in one place. Once you connect your Facebook and your Instagram, you can actually have your conversations along with your email all on this one platform, so that you're not going to 10 different places. You don't have to daisy chain a few different things together. But as you can see, this is a one-stop shop that is really designed to make digital marketing, internet marketing much easier. You can use everything that I have put together to start affiliate marketing. You can use it to launch a digital product business. It is really up to you. And that, I would say, is the biggest difference between System.io, which is really popular because it's free. Oh, by the way, the other thing I didn't mention is there are live Q&As with me every single month. We'll do about one a month to start. Also, there will be new trainings and coaching. This is probably the best deal. It's $67 per month, but the value that you'll get from the landing pages, the autoresponders, the done for you lead magnet, the coaching sessions, the courses, the workbooks, it is much more valuable than just $67 per month. And again, it's Gbolt Systems. I would recommend that you get started with it today. Try out the 2-week free trial. You just pay the one-time setup fee, and then you can get up and running. So if you have questions about it, definitely leave them in the comments below. Those are the biggest differences between Gbolt Systems, the new software that I launched, and System.io. Now that you know the difference between System.io and Gbolt Systems, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.